This female has just come in. She is only a puppy. I don't know how old, but she's a puppy. She's going to be a big breed. She is German Shepherd, by the look of it. Possibly Malinois. Very playful. She shares with another female called Demelza, and she's super playful. And there we are. It's not ideal making a video on my own, but I was walking her and thought, let's make her famous. Well, I'll just lie down there, I think. That's a good idea. There we are. That's a new female to identify when we get home. Oi!